It's confusing enough if you're a consumer, trying to figure out who's open, who's not, and under what phase of business will come back. But navigating the coronavirus rules can be just as tricky for businesses themselves. Case in point in Fishers, Topgolf opened back up on Monday. We were there as customers came back.
It feels great to be out. The look of masks and things in between, I guess it gives you a sense of safety, a sense of security, and I think it's the new normal. So if this is the new normal and it means we get to come out and do some fun things again, then I'm okay with that.
But 24 hours later, the business was shutting down with confusion about how they're classified. Under the governor's phase 2 plan, golf clubs and driving ranges are allowed to be open, but is that where Topgolf fits? There's also an argument that they're an entertainment venue, and those aren't supposed to reopen until phase 4 on June 14th. Tuesday, Topgolf representatives sending this statement to 13 News. As we work through questions with state and local officials, and because of our commitment to be compliant with all local and state mandated reopening guidelines, we've temporarily closed Topgolf Fishers. As soon as we have the green light from state authorities, we look forward to reopening.
Social distancing. We want to be responsible for the guests and our associates and be as safe as possible here at Topgolf.
On Monday, managers told us being prepared is a balancing act. They're hopeful to have everything worked out this week. So if you're a business owner trying to figure this out, the state does have a resource website where you can even ask a question about reopening. Of course, you can find a link by going to WTHR.com.
Now, before reopening, Topgolf made a handful of safety changes to protect visitors from the spread of COVID-19. Now, the business implemented social distancing, dividers between bays and the tables, as well as they started checking all employees there for symptoms. Also, capacity was cut in half to offer even more distance between all of the guests. Meanwhile, tonight, take a look at this as Indianapolis prepares to close several streets and expand outdoor dining options for restaurants. City leaders are trying to clear up some confusion tonight. Beginning on Friday, parts of Illinois Street, Mass Ave, Monument Circle, Georgia Street, and Broad Ripple Avenue are closing. They're going to all be transformed into outdoor dining. As you can imagine, this requires emergency permits, which the city is now fast-tracking. If restaurants already have outdoor seating areas, they do not need a permit unless they want to expand. Now, restaurants will also be held accountable for social distancing rules as well. And there's also a new email that owners can contact with any questions you may have. We have that posted for you right now on our website at WTHR.com. And also, INDY Parks announced brand new plans today to loosen some of those restrictions on several facilities. Cars will be allowed back at Eagle Creek Park this Thursday. And 4 dog parks will reopen on Thursday, including Broad Ripple Bark Park, Paul Ruster Dog Park, and Smock Dog Park. Garfield Park's Sunken Garden is now open, but social distancing is still recommended.
Tonight, there is growing pressure on Indiana state leaders to release more information about COVID-19 deaths that are related to nursing homes. Here's what we do know. Of the 1,600 deaths so far in the state of Indiana, 45% of them are related to residents in nursing homes. However, when you check the state health department's website, the only information they're sharing is the number of facilities and patients that have the virus. And there's no information on where the cases are coming from. That could, however, be changing with American Senior Communities releasing new numbers from each of its 78 long-term care facilities all across the state. Now, let's take a look at Marion County because this is the area where we have the most cases and the most deaths. Right now, we do have COVID-19 data from more than a dozen nursing homes right here in Marion County. And that data happens to include Harrison Trace, 63 cases, 13 deaths. Also, Rosegate Village, 145 cases, 20 deaths. We also, however, found that in Marion County, there are several nursing homes that have no cases reported at all.
The biggest benefit of this information is transparency and making sure that families have the information that they need. This isn't about hiding information. We're not trying to shame anyone. This is really just putting information out there so families can make the best decisions.
Today, AARP joined 13 News, calling on the governor now to release detailed reports on nursing homes in the state of Indiana. But until that happens, our 13 Investigates team has collected numbers from more than 200 long-term care facilities across the state of Indiana. And we've put all that data together in an easy search page on our website. You can search by city, you can search by county, you can search to find the nursing home near you.
And noon tonight, stimulus payments might look a little different when they show up in your mailbox. The Treasury Department and the IRS are sending prepaid debit cards instead of paper checks. The cards will go out to about 4 million people this week alone, with instructions on how to activate them.